Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. We're here at SM Aura for a meeting. I'm with Mark. Here at the lunch meeting, I'm having mushroom soup. I'm with Grams. Hi, Grams! And her mom, Emily. Hi, Gina. Right now here at Todd English, guys. Restroom break lang ako, pero I want to show you my OOTD, H&M, ano ba daw? Zara or H&M. And then yung jeans ng Pet Shop. Super nice, no? Ganda. Favorite ko ito yung sa may harap niya. And then yung shoes ko is from Yossi Sarah. We ordered our favorite risotto tater tots with a truffle dip. Oh my gosh. Yummy. Stacy, if you're watching. Hi, Mahal.
Hello. Ang ganda ng kadate ko ngayon.
We ordered a pork chop.
Beef. Ganda. Wow.
So tender.
Masarap.
The bomb.
White chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
And then ice cream red velvet inside.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Eastwood. First time na makapunta dito. Para pala siyang ano?
Parang ATC.
Parang ATC na pala ano. And we're having lunch here at Buddy's. Hi, Booby! We have, oh my gosh, Lomi, because I'm feeling under the weather. Kasi kagabi, ano oras ay natulog?
4 a.m.
Dahil, ang dami namin film at dami namin inedit, my goodness. Lomi! And they're famous, and the?
Lokban Longganisa.
Lokban Longganisa. And then of course, hindi mo wala ang kanin.
Hey.
Condiments. Yan.
Thank you.
Kaya pala kami nasa Eastwood kasi pinag up namin yung bag na pinagawa ni Mark for me. It's a red bag. Perfect for Bora and all of that. Sobrang sayang kasi bumili pa ako ng luggage for Boracay, our trip to Boracay. Kasi Mark hindi na kasi nag-carry on na lang siya. Yun, sayang. Sana pwede i-refund. Uy, sayang na to. Ito yung Buddy's, guys. Yung laki niya, no? It's an actual restaurant. And then this is Eastwood. Yeah, meron pang fountain. Come on, let's walk. We just saw the cutest chow chow. Yung naka-vlog, pero sobrang cute na. Baby pa, no?
Hindi niya na ibigay sa amin yung...
We're gonna go to where? Give mo one orchard. Black ice cream daw. Baby queens. Oh my gosh, red fries. Ito ba? Block 513? Oh. Wow. Guys, it's a doggy. I'm gonna go pet the doggy. Cutie pie. Hi, doggy. Here's our frozen yogurt, guys. Mukhang masarap. Tinakulan ako ng... Look at this, guys. Lahat ng mga Pilipinas na, no, celebrities, may walk of fame din. Pero walang kamay. Connie Reyes, Jessica Soho, Helen Vela. Hi, baby! You're so cute! We're done packing for Pampanga. Ito na yung bag ko. Si Mark nag-pack. Lahat ng gamit namin nandyan na. And I wanna show you yung roses na binigay na shop pack. Nag-bloom na ng bonggang-bongga. Ganda, no, Bubi? Pagbalik natin siguro bukas, ano na yan. And then yung mga cactus or cacti ba? Tumaas siya. Kahit hindi ko siya inaano, wina-wateran. Hihi. I'm wearing Mark's shoesies. Ano to?
Rush.
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 Okay, come on. Ever
hindi? Kain na lang muna kami?
Totoo?
Okay, sige. Bye-bye.
Ang ganda lang iba yung
Text na lang
color.
kita. Okay na.
Cool. We're here. Hello. Bobby. Ang laki ng bag namin. Compared sa mga bag nilang mga pang overnight lang. Anyway. Pakayang imponi ang aking hair. That's so cute though. Parang akong may tail. Oh, cute. What?
Parang one way tayo dito ah.
So, kami hindi na kami yung dinner. Saan tayo kakain ng dinner?
I don't know.
Let's just add it.
Ligid ka.
Tapos may luggage pa kami sa bag. Room tour time! Room 210 kami ni Mark.
Yeah.
Suot ko yung backpack ko.
Cutie
We have
pie.
hotel room, hotel rules.
Mhm.
2 adults, no pets, boo. No smoking, blah 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 blah.
No pets,
Next,
boo.
ito yung itsura niya. With a bed. And then we have this one, favorite na lang natin. Si may doggy woggy, ha, baby doggy. Then we have mini bar. Office table.
Mhm.
Look at this, mahal. It's a closet.
Closet.
Then we have an orange chair.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yan, lagyan mo yung bag. Oh.
Then,
Eh?
may CR pala. Hindi namin napakalala ng CR.
Ayan ang CR.
It's the
Okay lang.
basic
Basic CR.
toilet. I need to go boo-boo. Ikabud. We're gonna have dinner here. Patay ko.
Ano yung tatanggalin ko na. Ayoko nga.
Babies.
Tagabuhos ng Napeta ako eh. Napeta.
We're back in the room, guys. Naligo kami ni Mark. We're gonna wake up super duper early for the hot air balloon viewing. Night! We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I only put on my kilay because kilay is life. Morning, booby.
Good morning.
Good morning, booby.
Good morning.
This is my outfit for today. Super simple. Actually, yung outfit ko hapon, sinmap ko for a new one. I mean, I have a lot of YouTube shirts. And then, yung jeans na ano, yung black. And then, shoes ni Mark. And then, jacket from Forever, no, Pen Shop.
Tayo, mag-breakfast.
Daming tao, oh my goodness.
Diba? Parang ilaw na.
Mayroon nga.
May program na.
Ang ganda. Oh my goodness. We're here, guys! Pero kailangan pa namin maglakad. Ang dami na nag-parking sa may no parking na sign kasi nga wala eh, super daming tao. Oopsie. And the view behind me, so gorgeous.
Doon tayo, may ticket doon.
Tako!
Ganun?
Then,
Eh, patanggal nung.
no. No.
Saka mag-press siya na. Sarap. Ayaw ko niya ako.
Oh my gosh, guys, worst experience ever. Naihina kami. So, nag-portalet kami. Pero I couldn't go. Pumila ako pero, oh my God, hindi ko kaya, girl. I can't. Hindi ko alam paano ako magsisquat doon. Sobrang, ikaw paano ako uminom.
Bakit tayo?
Doon kami lumabas. Oh my gosh, sobrang daming tao. Yeah! Na-miss namin yung ibang balloon. So, saka init sa loob. Grabe. And pangit na nag-start ako sa Portalan kasi nasira na yung buong experience. Mimi? Hi, Mimi!
Ano? Mimi, Mingming. Mingming.
Oh, si Mimi! Ang laki niya!
Taba niya.
Inadapt nila ate dito sa may convenience store. Oy! Hi, Mimi!
Mingming. Sa?
Pait! Malaki.
Yeah.
Ming-ming.
Healthy, no?
Bet na mga ano yan. Artista pag nagpupunta dito.
May lahi siguro siya, no? Laki! I love you. Ano bibili ko dito? Na-distract tayo kay Ming-Ming. Ah, Ming-Ming, you're so cute. I know. Uy, love niya ako.
Magtawag mo lang yan, Ming.
Love ako ni Ming-Ming. Uy, sus. Oh, sus. Si Ming-Ming. Ming-Ming. Oh, sus. Kabait-bait.
Ano yan natin nung napulot niya maliit pa? Ah, okay.
Ito siya nakatira
Dito
sa
na lumaki.
7. We're eating here sa Delhi. Delhi, no?
Yes.
Parang siyang meat tipo. Yummy. Lahat ng steak and then mozzarella.
Ito yun na to. Ito yun.
Doing laundry with Mark. Kumain ko ng dinner.